Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is NessacxBeauty. Today's video is one that I've been highly anticipating, and it is my first episode of my new series, YouTuber Spotlight series. And if you guys don't know what that is and you're new to my channel, it's basically where I shout out a beauty YouTuber who has 300 or less subscribers, and I just showcase them and I recreate one of their looks. So this is the look that I recreated today, and I will post her picture up here somewhere and you guys can tell me how you guys think I did. But today's person is Malari Alexis, and what better way to introduce Malari than for her to introduce herself? So here's a little clip of her YouTube journey.
Hey everybody, my name is Malari, and really quickly I'm going to tell you about my YouTube journey and a little bit about why I started. So I started back in October of 2018, and I started because I was a stay-at-home mom. I was kind of bored and people have been asking me to do it for years, but whenever they were asking me if I was ever going to do it, I never had the time. So I finally had a window of like extra time, so I was just like, what the hell, let's just go ahead and do it. So from the start, you know, my channel's been growing and I've been meeting new people, and quite honestly I feel like I've been getting better at my makeup. Like, it's a good practice to do. So, and that's pretty much it. I really do enjoy doing it, and I plan to keep doing it as long as I can. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy Miss Nessa's video, and when it's over, come check out my channel.
So I hope you guys liked her little introduction. I wanted to make this as intimate as I could, so when she said yes to sending me that video, I was so happy. But here are the reasons why y'all should be supporting Malari, because these videos are all going to be about support. So reason number one, she is a mother that does YouTube, and for all y'all mothers that do YouTube, you guys should know the struggle that she goes through in terms of having her responsibilities as a mother and her passions as a YouTuber. But I think that Malari incorporates both of them into her channel so well. Today she uploaded a video of her doing her daughter's makeup, and her daughter was like, oh, I'm mommy, and like, you can tell how much her daughter like aspires to be like her mother, which is so beautiful to see on video. Second of all, her kids actually have a YouTube channel, which I found out through that video, so they will be linked down below as well. And I think that it's cool that YouTube can be something that they all do together. So number two, she serves looks. So right now I'm about to roll some of my favorite looks that I pulled from her videos, and I'm going to show you guys those looks right now. So this leads me into number three, and this is that she is constantly upgrading. So from her first video up until now, you can definitely see that she's been putting in work to get her quality better. So for everything from her visuals to how she speaks, to her volume, to the music choices that she chooses, to her editing, you can tell that she's actively working on all of those things, and that's an amazing quality to have, because that's how you know somebody's taking their YouTube channel seriously. And you can tell that Malari's taking her channel seriously. So that's number three, which also relates to number four, because along with the quality, she is also producing content constantly. So she's always posting, consistently posting, which is amazing considering that she's a mother, and she makes the time to do it, which is amazing for her as well. So I have her notifications on, and you can literally, without a doubt, always see a video from her every week, which is dope. So number five is that her tutorials are easy to follow, and this look right here right now is hers. So while I was creating it, I was actually watching her Valentine's Day video on how to do it, and that'll be up here in the cards if you guys are curious to know what palette this is and what color she used. So that's exciting to have like content that's reproducible. So that's, I don't know, I think that's so great. But lastly, I'm just gonna mention this. It's not like a reason to support her, it's just something that is going on her channel. And this is that she's having a giveaway right now with so many items. So many items, but I'm not entering because that'd be weird if I won and I did this video. So I'm not entering, but this is just to let you guys know to enter because she's giving away some cool stuff, and that video will also be up in the cards as well if you want to go check her giveaway out. It ends on March 31st, so you guys still have time to enter and help her grow. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited, so nervous. I just have so many emotions towards this video, and I hope that it becomes something great. If you guys have some things that you guys want me to work on, just please let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if you check out Malari. And lastly, I'll just end off on have a great day or night wherever you guys are in the world, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.
To everyone who has been supportive of me through my YouTube journey. It has been a kind of rocky process trying to get like a momentum going, and I'm so thankful for everyone who has been watching my videos or telling people about my channel, or subscribing, commenting, saying nice things. I'm so grateful for all of you guys, so this is my thank you to you.